Have you ever wondered why two people can make the same money and one sleeps like a baby while the other wakes up at 3 a.m. sweating? Just imagine this. You're finally doing well. Business is working, clients are paying, money is moving, and then it hits you. One lawsuit, one mistake, one bad partner, and poof, years gone. That tight feeling in your chest, that's awareness without structure. The biggest lie, an LLC saves taxes. No, wrong frame, dangerously wrong. But today, we're exposing the 5 real ways the wealthy use LLCs to build unbreakable walls around their wealth, shield assets, and optimize taxes legally. My name is Greg, and let's just say I spend way too much time staring at both the 2D and 3D math and the invisible equations behind businesses that survive and businesses that get wiped off the board. If you're tired of playing a game where the rules are hidden from you, smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We're about to put some neon ink on this problem. Now, slow down, breathe. Because today, we're breaking down the only 5 ways the wealthy actually use LLCs. Not TikTok nonsense, not guru fluff. Pattern-level truth. And I'm going to show you why most business owners use LLCs wrong and accidentally pay more tax, take more risk, and build nothing permanent. First, I need you to see the board, because wealthy people don't think in forms, they think in structure. Here's the anchor story. There's a small business owner in the Midwest. Construction, not flashy. He had 3 companies, all LLCs, all legal. Then came a lawsuit, slip and fall, employee mistake. Nothing insane, but all his assets were inside the same LLC. Bank account, equipment, rental property, operating business, one entity. The plaintiff's attorney didn't see a business, they saw a piñata. Everything was reachable. Contrast that with another client, same income, same industry, 5 entities, clear separation, clear purpose. Lawsuit came, it hit one wall. Everything else stood. Same storm, different architecture. That's what LLCs actually do. They are walls, not money printers. Now, here's the mental upgrade. Wealthy families organize money using something I call the trifecta. 3 zones: operations, assets, you. Operations is where money is made. Assets is where money sleeps and multiplies. You are the drain everything flows into. Taxes live where those streams collide. Most people mash all 3 together. The wealthy separate them cleanly, deliberately. Now, let's walk through the 5 LLCs, one by one, no mercy, high definition. LLC number 1, the holding LLC. This is the most common and the most misunderstood. A holding LLC doesn't work, it doesn't hustle, it doesn't sell, it holds. Rental property, land, crypto, notes, equity, passive stuff. Passive in our parlance, that just means money doing push-ups while you sleep. Why does this matter? Because lawsuits flow toward activity. Tenants sue landlords, customers sue businesses, partners sue partners. Assets shouldn't be near chaos. The holding LLC is a vault. The asset is owned by the LLC, not you. Bank account in the LLC, title in the LLC. If the asset gets sued, it stays contained. If you get sued personally, the asset is harder to reach. That's gravity management. Now, contrast. If you own the rental personally, your life is on the table. If your operating business owns the rental, same problem. The wealthy isolate. This LLC exists to not be exciting. That's the point. LLC number 2, the operational LLC. This is the side hustle phase: consulting, e-commerce, real estate sales, landscaping, freelancing. This LLC earns money. But listen closely, this LLC does not save taxes by itself. If you miss this, you lose years. An LLC taxed as a sole proprietor flows straight to your 1040. Profit equals ordinary income. Ordinary income, in our parlance, that just means the IRS brings a baseball bat. Self-employment tax, federal tax, state tax, triple hit. This LLC is for organization and protection, not money magic. It's a container, necessary but incomplete. Most people stop here and wonder why they're still bleeding. That's when we level up. LLC number 3, the S-Corp LLC. Same LLC, same name, same bank account, different tax engine. This is where wealthy operators separate labor from profit. Here's the contrast. In a regular LLC, all profit gets hit with self-employment tax, every dollar. In an S-Corp, only salary does. Salary, in our parlance, that just means money the IRS says you worked for. The rest, distributions. Distributions, in our parlance, that just means profit you owned. No self-employment tax. That gap is the savings. Example, you net $100,000. Regular LLC, all $100,000 gets hit. S-Corp, maybe $40,000 salary, $60,000 distributions. That's $60,000 skipped the self-employment line. That's thousands saved, year after year. This is why doctors, realtors, contractors, and consultants love S-Corps. Not fancy, just math. And no, the IRS isn't mad. This is written into the code. But here's the key. You don't open 5 S-Corps. You run one operational engine. Everything feeds into it. That's how the wealthy scale cleanly. LLC number 4, the Partnership LLC. This one is about trust and betrayal. Because partnerships magnify everything. Good partners, double speed. Bad partners, double pain. Without an LLC, a partnership defaults to chaos. General partnership, in our parlance, that just means you're liable for their stupidity. They mess up, you pay. The Partnership LLC creates rules. Who owns what, who decides what, who exits how. It walls you off from your partner's mistakes. Wealthy people don't handshake 6-figure decisions. They document, because memory fades, paper doesn't. This LLC can hold assets or operate businesses, but its superpower is definition. Clarity beats optimism every time. LLC number 5, the Special Purpose LLC. This is the elite move. This is where retirement money escapes Wall Street gravity. IRA LLC, 401k LLC, self-directed money. Self-directed, in our parlance, that just means you choose the investment, not a fund manager. Your retirement account owns the LLC. You manage it. Checkbook control. Real estate, private deals, notes, startups. Peter Thiel turned a few thousand into billions using this structure. Same rules, different awareness. This LLC is not for beginners, but it's how the wealthy compound quietly. Now, zoom out. 5 LLCs, 5 purposes. Notice something? None of them are random. Each exists to solve one problem: risk, tax, control, growth, legacy. People fail because they stack LLCs without intention. The wealthy people build architecture. Now you might be thinking, Greg, this feels overwhelming. Good, that means you're seeing the board. You don't need all 5 today. You need the next correct move. Anti-system steps. 1. Stop asking, do I need an LLC? Start asking, what risk am I isolating? 2. Separate earning from owning. Operations make money. Assets keep it. 3. Build slowly. Structure before scale. Here's the neon truth. LLCs don't make you rich. They keep you rich long enough for compounding to matter. Most people chase income. The wealthy defend position. That's the difference. If you're still here, you're not confused. You're upgrading. I'm Greg. You don't win by running faster. You win by seeing the board. Stop running on the treadmill. Start building the board.